Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last month I made a detailed walk around and ride review of the Vespa Tech and S Tech variants, and few of the subscribers who has watched that video has asked me to make a separate video explaining about all variants of the Vespa models. So this video is for you guys. In this video I'll be explaining the difference between all variants. In addition to that, I will let you know about the maintenance cost and on-road price of all Vespa models. My name is Danny and you are watching cosyrevs. This is the base variant of all the Vespa models and it is called as the classic ZX variant. This is the only variant which comes with only one engine option, which is the 125cc. If you just take a closer look at the scooter, almost everything is basic. It runs on a thinner 90/100 10-inch 53J TVS Eurogroup tubeless tires, and even the alloy design looks basic. Moving on to the speedometer, you can see that everything is almost analog here. A small digital box has been provided at the bottom, which is used to display some basic information like the timing. It doesn't have a mode button here. And if you look at the seats, no fancy stitching has been done. It's all completely basic, and there isn't any cushioned back support has been given for the pillion. It doesn't have a dual tone color option. Only the single tone color option has been provided for the classic ZX variant. It is priced at rupees 1,49,708 rupees on road Chennai, and I think for the price it is a value for money product from Piaggio. Moving on to the next variant, this is the Vespa variant, which comes with a 125cc and 150cc engine option. It also has a dual tone and a single tone color setup. The model which you are seeing right here is a dual tone color setup, which comes with peach and white color, and it looks a lot more stunning. If you just take a closer look at the scooter, you can see that the tire size has been increased. So this one is running on a 110/70 11-inch TVS Eurogroup tires, whereas on the rear they have provided a 120/70 10-inch TVS Eurogroup tires. The alloy design has been revised, and this looks a lot more cooler when you compare it with the base variant. Moving on to the speedometer, you can see that they have provided an analog digital setup, and this digital screen is going to display more information. It also comes with a mode button, and the stitching on the seat looks a lot more cooler when you compare it with the base variant. Also, they have provided a cushioned backrest for the pillion as well. So this dual tone color of 125cc variant is going to cost 1,66,930 rupees on road Chennai, and for the 150cc variant it's going to be 1,84,244 rupees. So if you're going for the single tone color of the Vespa 125cc variant, it's going to cost you 1,64,762 rupees, and for the 150cc variant it's going to cost you 1,81,834 rupees. So this Vespa variant is 15,000 rupees higher when you compare it with the classic ZX variant. Moving on to the next variant, we have the Vespa S variant, which is one of the top of the line variant. This also comes with the 125 and 150cc engine option, and it also has the dual tone and single tone color setup. The model which you see right here is the dual tone color setup model, and it looks way cool with the funky red and white combination. There are four differences between the Vespa S variant and the Vespa variant. The first one is that this comes with a boxy type LED setup upon the front, and the second one is that the alloy wheels has been completely blacked out on the Vespa S variant, whereas on the Vespa variant it is a darkish gray color. The third difference is that on the speedometer small detailing has been done for the numbers, whereas on the normal Vespa model it's the plain numbers. The fourth one is that a compartment has been provided here to keep our personal stuff. This is not present on the normal Vespa model. So these are the four differences on the Vespa S variant when you compare it with the Vespa variant, and for these changes they have done a price hike of 3,000 rupees. So the dual tone color of Vespa S 125cc is going to cost you 1,72,482 rupees on road Chennai, and for the 150cc variant it's 1,87,418 rupees. If you are going for the single tone color of the Vespa S variant, 125cc is going to cost you 1,69,176 rupees, and for the 150cc variant it's 1,85,072 rupees. Apart from that, we have a special edition of Vespa S, and it is called as the Gold edition. So this has been completely painted in gold color, and there is a special pattern provided on the seats. So these are the two differences on the Vespa S Gold edition. When it comes to pricing, the 125cc variant of this Gold edition is priced at rupees 1,70,627 rupees on road Chennai, and for the 150cc variant it's 1,85,245 rupees. So the pricing of the special edition is somewhere between the single tone color and the dual tone color of the Vespa S variants. This is the newly launched Vespa Quala special edition, and there is no words to describe the art of work which has been done on the scooter. It looks astonishing, and it is basically a Vespa Tech variant with all these classic stickering work. So the pricing of the Quala edition is 2,32,886 rupees for the 125cc variant and 2,48,230 rupees for the 150cc variant. So the pricing hasn't increased when you compare it with the Vespa Tech variant. Now we have the Vespa Est variant, which is the most tech loaded and most expensive of all the Vespa model lineups which is available right now in India. So the pricing of the Vespa Est variant for the 125cc is 2,37,301 rupees on road Chennai, and for the 150cc variant of the Vespa Est it's 2,53,204 rupees, thereby making this scooter as the most expensive Vespa model which you can buy right now in India. So this is all about the Vespa models. The warranty period for Vespa is either in 5 years or in 60,000 kilometers, and the free service will be covered in first year or in the first 12,000 kilometers. The cost of the free service will be around 600 to 750 rupees, and the brake pad cost will be around 300 to 350 rupees. So if you still have any doubts regarding Vespa, feel free to reach out in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another video very soon. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.